Okay, hey guys, I hope everybody's taking care and being blessed. This video is going to be just a quick video and hopefully it helps someone. A couple days ago, I was getting some trash, putting some trash inside of my big bin outside, you know, the trash can. It had maggots all in it. Like, it was so disgusting. And I've never seen anything like it in my life. So what I'm going to do is I got on Facebook and I asked people, you know, what can you do for maggots? And my brother let me know that, you know, add some bleach and some water, which I can truly say that worked perfect. Unfortunately, I was not able to clean the trash like I should then because it had trash inside of it. So my trash people just came a couple minutes ago. I am about to clean the trash. I'll be using bleach, Dawn, and hot water. I'm going to put the bleach and Dawn and stuff inside of here. I probably got to fill this up a couple times. I'm also going to be using my hose, but I don't want to use too much bleach because I'm very, how can I say it? Bleach get on my nerves. I hate the way it smells, but I know it's excellent. So I'm not going to use a whole bunch, but enough to get it taken care of. So, and another thing to make it not happen again, one thing that I did do when you put the dog's poop, a couple times I didn't tie it. Make sure you always tie the little trash thing that we have, because I got a specific little trash thing that I put the poop in. I tie it and then I tie it again. I didn't do it once or twice. But make sure all your trash is closed up tightly. If y'all hear that whine in the background, that is Rain. She always whine when I'm on the videos now. I guess she want to be seen. Pootie, they say hi. Say hey, Rain. Say hey. See her? Okay, guys, I'm going to show you guys how to do it. You'll also be needing some gloves. Make sure you have gloves, okay? Very, very careful with the bleach, because bleach is very dangerous. It can fade your clothes and all kind of things. So make sure you are careful with the bleach. I put about this much bleach and I'll put the rest water. And like I said, I might have to fill it up a couple times. I'll be using a hose too, okay? Try to rinse it if you can in the street. So just in case, like, I got a pet and she always eating the grass, I didn't want the bleach to be in the grass. So make sure you do it so you go in the street if you can, and also have some crazy looking clothes on, because you never know with bleach. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get this all rinsed out and it's finished. If you want, like I said, make sure you close up all your stuff always tightly. I never ever had that problem with the maggots, and it should be good. Hopefully that helped you guys. Be blessed. Bye guys.